Hmm? Who's that guy? Was any more people? Wow! What the? What is that? I don't build house here. But, but, no! But, I cannot see house. Bro, is this not? Wait, what's that? Is that Rubik's? Rubik's! Oh, wait. What the heck is that? Seven. Joke. Oh, there is an exit. Hello. I'm here. Hello, Unico. That's my house. Right? No. No. Come on. No. Okay. Hey, Bro, I'm English. Let's champion for the child. Who is that? No. The monster. No. The monster. The monster. Come on, let's. Dun. The monster. Monster. Oh my god. Come on. Let's do this game. I can see food. Where's the food? No! Oh! Here? Yes. I see it. I want medkit because it's not medkit here. Wait, what the heck? Yeah, pizza. Oh, oh my god, I get glad. Come on, let's find medkit. Come on. Are you? Wow, water! Thanks. Thanks for sending here. Wow, water. Oh, what the lemon that? Wow, good. Oh, oh, no. I believe I can fly. Darna. What the heck? What is that? I don't like to build house. Let's find a house. Don't build it. No more house there. It's fine. Dun. Oh, is that a monster? Sa Tagalog, monster ba yun? Ang Pilipino, sa Tagalog, ako ay Pilipino. OMG. Ten. Oh, I see a house. Yay! I see a house. Is that house or not? Is that house or not? Please. Fuck. Maharap na exit. What happened? Let's find exit. Come on, come on. Oh. Wala pa rin exit dito. Naku po, wala ko na. No more house there. Wait. I cannot jump. Where's people? Tagalog. Asan na yung mga tao? Who's that? Tower. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Sana, uy. May bahay. Magbibuild na lang ako ng bahay dito. Dahil wala akong mabahayan. Kasi amulilib na ako. Sarap. I cannot. Oh, is that house? Wala. Oh, wait. No! It's the monster. Come on, come on. Let's hide. Yay! Amazing! I'm scared.